Meditation script, self-love, first best, and living in the end. Get comfortable in your favorite position and let go of all thoughts of what you have to do, where you may have to go, and what you may need to do for others. This is your time to focus on your desire and to live from the end, in the wish fulfilled. We are going to use this time together to do some affirmations for self-love and feeling secure and first best. Using the breath to slowly drop deeper and deeper into relaxation. So to start, we will do 3 breaths. In for 4 and out for 4. In for 4 and out for 4. Breathing in for 4, and lastly, breathe out for 4. Now bring your awareness to behind your forehead and see these affirmations written in white across the black screen of your mind. And repeat after me. I am loved and lovable. I am loved and lovable. I am loved and lovable. I am secure within myself. I am secure within myself. I am secure within myself. I look after myself and treat myself with respect. I look after myself and treat myself with respect. I look after myself and treat myself with respect. I feel wanted and that I matter. I feel wanted and that I matter. I feel wanted and that I matter. I am first best in my life. I am first best in my life. I am first best in my life. Why is it that I feel better and better? Why is it that I feel better and better? Why is it that I feel better and better? Why is it that everything gets easier for me? Why is it that everything gets easier for me? Why is it that everything gets easier for me? Why is it that I have such a wonderful life? Why is it that I have such a wonderful life? Why is it that I have such a wonderful life? Now bring your awareness back to the black screen of your mind and imagine a wonderful setting. This setting is an old converted warehouse. It has old bricks, beautifully framed paintings, metal lanterns and candles everywhere. You can see colorful rugs on the polished floorboards, and the furniture is old but loved, with colorful cushions. You feel at home here. It is a beautiful setting, a place of peace, a place of love, and a place for connection, but of connecting with yourself and loving you. Imagine a round table set for two. There is a candle burning on the table. It is ready for a meal. Your inner self and first best belief has organized this, and you feel such a thrill to be here. You feel loved, wanted, and a priority. You see your inner self in the kitchen. You see them preparing this yummy meal. You can smell it. You enjoy knowing it is your favorite meal they are preparing for you. They come over with a drink in hand for you. You take it, smile, and they kiss you on the forehead in a loving way. Breathe in for 4 and breathe out for 4. Breathe in for 4 and breathe out for 4. Breathing in for 4 and breathe out for 4. Now you sit down together to share this meal prepared with love. You talk, laugh, and share your day and your happenings of the week. It flows. It is a relaxed and enjoyable conversation and time together. You have many times like this now. You are secure in this inner self relationship and trust in yourself. You feel a giving in both directions. It is an easy relationship. It feels so good to you and to your inner self. There is trust, love, fun, and just a peace you have never had before from within you. And for that, you are grateful. You understand now that the better your self-love is, and the more you care for yourself and look after you, this is echoed in feeling first best. And for that too, you are grateful. Breathe in for 4 and breathe out for 4. Breathe in for 4 and breathe out for 4. Lastly, breathe in for 4 and breathe out for 4. So as the evening comes to an end, you know you are not going home, but you are staying the night together in this wonderful place. Candles still burning whilst you lay there with your inner self, going through, reminiscing about the good times in your lives, and when you felt such strong self-love and feeling first best. So now I will give you a little time in this silence to imagine those times. Please do that now. Breathing in for 4 and breathe out for 4. Breathing in for 4 and breathe out for 4. Breathing in for 4 and breathe out for 4. So now let that scene fade back in your mind and then fade away for now, knowing you can come back to it any time you like. Now let us start to come out together of this meditation. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Slowly bring your awareness back to where you are. In this room, in this place, in this neighborhood, in this town, or city in your country, wherever you may be, and open your eyes.